Hey everyone, it's JoJo and welcome to a Beyblade versus battle with 3D printed bays and parts. So my 3D printed Beyblade is JYNX Ouroboros Zero Venom Atomic, and here we have Union Spriggan with the metal swords, 00 Expand Plus Destroy Dash. Alright, so first battle we'll have JYNX Ouroboros in right spin, and then we'll switch it over to left. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, and a knockout. 1.2, JYNX Ouroboros. 3, 2, 1, go. Another knockout. One more point to Ouroboros. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, massive burst. That is 2 points to Union Spriggan. 3, 2, 1, go. And another knockout. 1.2 Ouroboros. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, JYNX got really unstable there. So 1.2 Union Spriggan. 3, 2, 1, go. And a knockout. 1, 2 Ouroboros. 3, 2, 1, go. And 1.2 Union Spriggan. We're now tied. 3, 2, 1, go. And that is your winner, JYNX Ouroboros with the knockout. Alright, so let's switch over to left spin and see how well it could do against Union Spriggan. Alright, first to 5 once again. 3, 2, 1, go. Ooh, that was really close. I'm gonna call that one a draw. 3, 2, 1, go. Spin steal? Oh no, that was really close. I did soft launch to see if it could spin steal, but it was not enough. 1.2 Union Spriggan for the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, and a knockout. 1.2 Union Spriggan. 3, 2, 1, go. Really good contact there. 1 point for the spin finish. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Alright, let's see where it goes. It came back in. And JYNX Ouroboros still gets the win. 3, 2, 2, 1, go. Oh, and a knockout. 1, 2, Union Spriggan. 3, 2, 1, go. And JYNX Ouroboros still wins that one. 3, 2, 1, go. Good contact again. I gotta call that one a draw. 3, 2, 1, go. And another draw. 3, 2, 1, go. And JYNX Ouroboros gets the spin finish point. And it only needs one more to win. 3, 2, 1, go. Knocked out. We're tied once again. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh, big hit. Oh, and JYNX Ouroboros takes it, but barely. Your winner for both battles is JYNX Ouroboros. It did so much better against Union Spriggan than it did against Immortal Phoenix. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, and I will see you next time with more. See you soon.